There are many fishes in the water. There are many fishes in the river. There are many fishes in the this and in the that. Oga, which one you don't catch, madam? Which one you don't catch? There are many fishes in the river. Which one you don't catch? The small fish where God don't send give you, like catfish and other small fish, when they're too harmful, you don't let them escape. You don't use greed. I don't even not be even greed. You don't get sense. You don't let them escape. Finish. All of them don't escape. Come out for your hand. Now you still get mine. They just said there are many fishes in the water. No worry. God go send shark. God go send shark give you, so that make you since that fish. You see, they find big fish. Now that one will swallow you, chop you, join. The one that day your mind go there. There are many fishes in the river.